In today's video, let me show you the way that you can fix Facebook Reels not showing. If you're not being able to view the Reels on your profile inside of Facebook, in today's video, let me show you a couple of common fixes. The first thing that you need to ensure is that your app is not on the data saver mode. So in order to check that from your profile, tap on the three lines on the top left of the screen, head over to settings and privacy, and then head over to the option which says mobile data users, and right here you'll see the option which says data saver. If this option is enabled for you, make sure you disable it and then close the app of Facebook from the recent list and try to see if the issue is now fixed. If the issue is still not fixed, the second thing that you can try out is try to clear the data or cache of the Facebook app. So what you can do is tap and hold the app and then head over to this eye icon. From this settings page, you'll be able to see the option called storage, and right here you'll see the option called clear data. You can just tap on the clear cache option. Now once you complete this step, again check if the issue is fixed. If the issue is still not fixed, what you can also try out is try to uninstall the app of Facebook from your phone and then again re-download it. This ensures that you have the latest version and any sort of bugs which may be causing the issue should be now fixed. Now if it is a glitch on your phone, then what you can also try out is try to restart your phone and try to see if the Reels option is now showing up. By following these few steps, you should be able to fix the Facebook Reels not showing error. If this kind of video was helpful, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.